Okay, friends, today we're talking about the Chrome WebStore. So you use Google Chrome on your Chromebook. It's really the only thing that runs on your Chromebook. It's just the internet. There are a lot of things that you can add to Google Chrome to help make it work a little bit better for you. So that's where the Chrome WebStore comes into play. Now you've already added Google Keep in a previous lesson on the Chromebook Academy, so you probably are somewhat familiar with how to access the Chrome Web Store, but I'm just going to run through it with you one more time, and you can add a few things if you'd like. So to get to the Chrome Web Store, the easiest way is to go down to your apps launcher in the bottom and look through the list, and if you don't see it, go on all apps, and it's this one little shopping bag, Web Store. And it's going to open up in a new tab. And we're just going to have to wait a second. All right, so here's what you need to look at. Here we've got apps, extensions, and themes. Apps are kind of just like what you think they are, like on your iPhone or your iPad or your Android device. You have apps, different kind of games maybe, or things that you can use on your device. It's the same idea with Google Chrome. You have apps. So you can look here at some apps, new and updated apps, things that'll help you organize. There are some games. This does not mean that that is what you're to do during school, but there are some games. And I can just search for apps. I can find things that I can add to my Google Chrome account. Then I can click on extensions, and you'll see here that extensions are what I have all at the top of my Google Chrome. Now extensions stick with me, apps stick with me too, but extensions will stay on any Chrome browser that I use. So if I log into my Chromebook, or if I log into the Google Chrome on a desktop computer in the computer lab, they all stay there. So Chrome extensions just help Google Chrome itself to work a little bit better for you. So for example, here I have a Google Calendar extension that helps me just to know when things are coming up on my calendar day to day. Here I have Grammarly, and Grammarly is a spell checker extension that spell checks everything that I type in my emails and on websites. And here's a Gmail one where I can send emails from a website. So I can email a link. So I can say to my teacher, hey, here's this great website I just found, and easily send it to her. Here's Snagit, which is how I'm actually doing this video right now. I strongly suggest you go ahead and add that anyway. Let's go through the process of how to add something like Snagit. So I'm going to type in the search box, Snagit. And I'm going to click enter. And here is the app, and here is the extension. So there are two different ways to add it. I like having both on here. That way I have some choices. So what you'll do is you'll click on the extension, and it'll bring it up for you to use. And you can click right here. Now mine says it's added to Chrome, but yours is going to have a plus sign and say free. It's going to be blue, just like this one back here. When you click on it, it'll ask you do you want to install it. And you say, yes, I do, and you'll be good to go. All right. So that is how we add an extension. And the process for adding an app is the same. You can change the theme of your Google Chrome. So you can just click there on theme. Let's go back home. And then I'll click on theme. And there's themes for all kinds of things that you might want. If you are into sports, you can search for sports themes. Or if you are into horses, you can search for that. Or if you're into whatever this is, an owl and a rainy day, you can do that. Or butterflies. And it'll just change the way that Google Chrome looks. It doesn't help it at all. Oh, that is really cute. Look at that. It doesn't help it at all, but it just makes it look different. It's more of a way for you to kind of personalize it, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to find an app, an extension, and a theme. That's what you're going to be doing in your next task is an app, an extension, and a theme, and you're going to add them to your Google account.